Don't. Look. After the trash cans get emptied, they'll go out back and flip upside down. Nobody can fucking use the son of a bitches. I don't give a fuck. I ain't goddamn fucking doing goddamn fucking trigger around this. Oh, Burdette, what's up?
And it's gonna be a fucking issue. Period. I don't give a fuck. You got an issue with me, come to me personally. You ain't gotta be out here with all that shit, cause I'll fight whoever in the house. I don't give a fuck. Let that be known now. I don't give a fuck, so keep fucking your shit. And it's gonna be problems, bro. Period. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I'm okay, but I just heard y'all. I just talking about the trash too as well. Y'all got an issue, bro, come to me. You gonna be out here talking shit, I will fight you. And that's the last time I'm gonna say it. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Hey, Shannon. I'm done talking. I don't even want to talk to nobody. Period. You just lose like that. And that's real. I don't give a fuck.
Hold on a minute.
I don't care.
There was a misunderstanding on my part.
You just talked to me about the trash this morning, and then he comes out here running his fucking mouth, so I'm going to say something.
Okay, hold on. There's a misunderstanding on my
part. The fuck?
Because I thought...
All I hear is the trash. And I just talked to you 20 minutes ago about this situation.
Well, that's what I'm saying.
So what the fuck? You done came to me three times now.
I know y'all don't feel trash can lately.
Okay, I don't even know where my fucking trash can is. And I really don't care because everything gets empty the fuck out. So why does it fucking matter? I don't think that's the issue for me to be like, but when I'm hearing, okay, she came to me 3 times, we talked about it. And then now Timmy's out here talking about, I don't give a fuck who, what he said. Whoever it is, I don't know who the fuck it is, but it's trash cans, y'all. It's just fucking trash cans. It's not like somebody putting the shit in your fucking front yard and then leaving it.
The thing about it being is that they have trash cans sitting over there.
I don't know. You don't know.